Hello, fifth grade. How are you? I miss you all. I hope all of you are okay. Today's lesson is about wonderful water. Lesson 2.7, page 32. Most of the water in the earth is salty. معظم الماء اللي بالطبيعة في الأرض مالح. This means that we can't drink it. We must drink clean fresh water. ممنوع نشرب المي المالحة. لازم نشرب مية نظيفة وفريش طازجة. We need water for our animals to drink. الحيوانات كمان بتحتاج المي للشرب. Plants also need water to grow. النباتات بتحتاج الماء عشان تنمو. Water has many uses. في كتير فوائد للماء. For people and animals to drink and stay healthy. For growing plants. للحيوانات والإنسان عشان تضلوا بصحة منيحة. لنمو النباتات. For washing our hands and bodies. لتغسيل اليدين ونظافة الجسم. For cleaning everything. لتنظيف كل شيء حوالينا. I want you now to watch the following video to find out some more uses of water. But you can read these uses with me. For people and animals to drink and stay healthy. For growing plants. For washing our hands and bodies. For cleaning everything.
Wonderful water. Water is wonderful. Do you know why? We all need water to wash our hands and faces. Water is wonderful. Mommy needs water to make lemonade. Water is wonderful. Farmers need water to grow fruits and vegetables. Water is wonderful.
للزراعة.
Some dams need water to make electricity.
لتوليد
Water
الكهرباء.
is wonderful.
لتوليد الكهرباء.
Firefighters need water to put out fires. Water is wonderful. People need to drink water to be healthy. Water helps our bodies to work.
للشرب
Water is
وبعطينا
wonderful.
طاقة إنه نشتغل نكون بأعمالنا اليومية.
We need water to swim. Water is wonderful.
للسباحة للترفيه.
Fish need water to breathe. Water is wonderful.
يساعد الأسماك على التنفس. فيه الأكسجين الذائب بالماء.
Water helps us in many ways. So, we need to keep our water clean.
Now I want to talk about water pollution. تلوث الماء. تلوث الماء. Repeat, water pollution. تلوث الماء. People and animals make waste which pollutes river water. الناس والحيوانات تعمل أوساخ بتلوث مياه الأنهار. Look here at this picture. They throw. The animals and plants in the river die and the water is not safe to drink. في هاي الحالة شو بصير؟ الحيوانات والنباتات اللي بتستفيد من ماء النهر راح تموت وما بتكون صالحة للشرب إنه إحنا نشربها. It is not safe to drink. So when water is polluted, the animals and plants in the river die, and the water is not safe to drink. People who drink polluted water or eat the fish from polluted water can become sick or die. أي إنسان بيشرب مي ملوثة أو بيأكل من الأسماك الموجودة في البحار أو بالأنهر بتكون ملوثة. They will become sick. ممكن تؤدي للمرض أو الوفاة. They become sick or die. These are sick people from drinking polluted water. Here is an activity, page 2.7, about cleaning the water. Page 33. You need 2 glasses. In your book it's written beakers, but in the house you don't have beaker, you have glasses. Tap water, مية حنفية. A funnel, المحقن. Filter paper, ورق الترشيح. ممكن تستعمل ورق الفلتر كوفي if you have at home. Sand, رمل. Stick for stirring. There are 3 steps for this activity. It's written in page 33. Rivers often begin in the mountains. تبدأ الأنهار من الجبال. Where the water is clean. بتكون المي نقية. Look here. نقية. Lots of plants and animals live and by the rivers. كتير من الحيوانات والنباتات بيعيشوا في الماء أو قرب الماء. These are some examples for animals who lives in rivers or near rivers. Plants also live in rivers or near rivers. Water pollution. Watch this video and concentrate. ركزوا كيف بصير عندنا تلوث الماء. Hope you will enjoy.
Today, we'll learn about water pollution.
تلوث الماء.
Clean water is mandatory for life. When water gets polluted, it becomes unhealthy for everyone. Water pollution has become an increasing problem on our Earth, which is affecting human and animal lives. Water pollution occurs when chemicals, waste, or other particles cause a body of water to become harmful to everybody. Let's see the causes of water pollution.
أسباب التلوث.
Natural causes. Sometimes volcanoes.
ممكن البراكين.
Animal waste.
أوساخ الحيوانات.
Algae. And
الفطريات.
silt from floods cause water pollution.
الفيضانات.
Human causes. Some human causes for water pollution are sewage, fertilizers and pesticides from farms,
المواد
waste from
المخصبة.
factories and construction sites,
فضلات المصانع.
acid rain. Acid rain can turn lakes acidic and it kills fish and other
الأمطار
animals.
الحامضية من
Oil
المصانع.
spillage. Oil spills generally happen in
تسرب
the ocean
نافذات
and cause many devastating effects to animals, plants, and humans. Let's see some effects of water pollution.
نشوف شو بأثر.
Death of aquatic animals.
موت
It
الحيوانات
kills
المائية.
organisms like fish, crabs, birds, and dolphins that depend on these water bodies. Disruption of food chains.
خلل في
Pollutants are
السلسلة
eaten by
الغذائية.
small animals. These animals are consumed by fish and others, and the food chain continues to be disrupted at all the levels. Diseases.
أمراض.
Drinking polluted water can cause serious health problems. Let's see some steps to control water pollution.
كيف نحافظ على المياه؟
Always look for the correct waste bin for throwing waste.
نرمي بالمكان
Save
المناسب.
water. Close the tap when not in use.
توفير المياه.
Do not throw waste chemicals, oils, and medicines
ما
in the
نرمي
sink
المواد
drain.
الكيماوية.
Do not overuse
المغسلة.
pesticides and fertilizers.
ما نستعمل
Try
كميات
planting
كبيرة
more and more trees.
من زراعة
Now
الأشجار.
you know a lot about water pollution. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Our app, Learning Junction, is available on Play Store. Bye-bye.
Conclusion. شو نستنتج؟ We conclude that fresh water is important to humans, animals and plants. الماء النقي ضروري للحيوان والإنسان والنبات. People often pollute fresh water. الناس عادة بيلوثوا الماء بتصرفاتهم, as you saw in the video. Polluted water can harm people. الماء الملوث يؤذي الإنسان, animals, حيوانات, and plants, والنباتات. So, conclusion of this lesson: clean fresh water is important to humans, animals, and plants. Repeat after me. People often pollute fresh water. Polluted water can harm people, animals, and plants. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand the lesson, and I hope you will never drink polluted water. Drink fresh water and take care of the water near you, in school, in gardens, at home, so as to remain clean and fresh, and nothing will be affected from this polluted water. Thank you.